Hi, welcome to our math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on system of equations and applications. Two planes start from LA International Airport and fly in opposite directions. So this is a situation where one is going this way and one is going this way. All right, in opposite directions. The second plane starts a half hour after the first plane, but its speed is 80 kilometers per hour faster. So this is a basic distance equaling rate times time scenario. And so if the first plane has a rate and a time, the second plane is going r plus 80 kilometers faster, but the time is t minus 0.5. It has a half hour less. Okay, find the speed of each plane when 2 hours after the first plane departs. They're 3,200 kilometers apart. Okay, so we know that t is equal to 2 hours, because that's what this says, 2 hours. And we know that this distance right here is 3,200 kilometers. So if this is plane one, and this is plane 2, we don't know their individual distances, but we know that if we add them up, plane 1 plus plane 2, it has to equal 3,200. All right, so let's put this all together. We're going to do a new table. We don't know the rate of the first, but we know the time is 2. We don't know the rate of the second, but it's 80 faster. And we don't know the time, or we don't know the time of the second. It's 1.5. What else do we know? We know that 2r, the distance of the first, plus the distance of the second, 1.5 r plus 80. This is the distance of the second. If we add them up, it equals 3,200. So I kind of used my two images together. We don't have a distance, but we have a total distance. And that plane 1, which is 2r, and plane 2, which is 1.5 r plus 80, equals a total of 3,200. All right, so 2r plus 1.5r plus 120 equals 3,200. 3.5r, I'm going to subtract this 120 over. 3.5r equals 3080. Divide by 3.5. And r is equal to 880. That's the speed of the first plane. We know the speed of the second is 880 plus 80. That's what we have right here. So it's going to be 960. But let's check that out. Is 2 times 880 plus 1.5 times 960 equal to 3,200. Well, 2 times 880 is 1,760. 1.5 times 960 is 1,440, and that does equal 3,200. All right, so that all works. So the first plane speed is 880 kilometers per hour. The second is 960 kilometers per hour. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.